Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 8 Assessment Ticket. In its project description, you have just started working in the ticket office for a local theatre. The theatre has 5 different employees who take ticket orders over the phone. Until now, they have been taking the orders on paper and then retyping the information on invoice. One of the employees started an Excel workbook to enter the ticket orders in, but the other employee kept making mistakes and deleting the formulas, so they ended up retyping the invoices anyway. You will help Jill modify her workbook so data validation make the data entry easier. Macros help clear all data except the formula, and various types of workbook protection prevents formula from being deleted by mistakes. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel. Open the download Excel file name Excel Chapter 8 Assessment Tickets. Grader will automatically add your last name to the start of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your files as macro. Enable workbook. Enable content if necessary. I have already enabled content and got our file here. That's our file. We will move to our second step. In the second step on the ticket order worksheet, use trace pedestrian to illustrate the formula in the cell B21. So we will go to the ticket order worksheet. That's our ticket order worksheet. We will go to the cell B21. That's our B21. Correct the formula in the B21 by entering the correct cells. The formula should multiply the number of tickets by the cost of tickets. Using the formula created in the B21, add if error formula to display a blank cell if there is no results. So we will go to the B21. That's our formula. We will go to the formulas and use trace pedestrian to see the what is the difference here. B18, we have B18 cross A17. That's our formula result. The formula should be multiply number of tickets by the total cost of ticket. Number of tickets, total cost of tickets. The formula must be A17, B18 and B19. That must be the formula. So we will first correct the formula. We will make it here B18 and B20 to correct our formula and press enter. So our formula is now correct. We have got formula. If he is saying if an error occur, then we will use if error function in this formula to show a blank cell if the error is occur. So we will put space in the inverted commas, so it will shows that if error occurs, it will show the space. So now you see our formula is correct. We have put the if error and we have got corrected our formula in the cell B21. That's our second step. Our third step is, and before starting the third step, and if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Canvas course, Cengage course, SAM projects, or Pearson Plus course, or if you need help in the Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, RSS assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can comment on this video, so I will get you soon. We will move to our third step. Add the data validation to the cell B4. So we will go to the cell B4. That is our cell B4. We will go to the data, and here we will go to the data validation. What we need to enter allows the today function should be used. So we will copy this and put here the date. So what is the equal to, we will put today function. Enter the message, input message title date. So we will go to the input message. Here in the input message we will title this one as a date, and enter the message, enter today date with the period. Put input message as enter today date. We will go to the error result. Error title must be error. We will copy this, put here the error. Error message must be date, must be today date. So we will put error message here in the error message box and press OK. We have put our data validation. In the cell B4 enter today date. So we will put in the cell B4 is equal to today, start our bracket, close our bracket, and press enter. So we have got our today date in the cell B4. That's our third step. Our fourth step is add the data validation to the cell B5, that only time between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. can be entered. So we will go to the B5 and go to the data validation. Data validation, here we will select any value time between, what is the start time, 9 a.m. We will put start time as a 9 a.m. and what is the end time, 4 a.m. 4 p.m. we will put as a 4 p.m. and what is in the enter the input message. The input message should be enter the time in the this format. So we will go to the input message. There is no title, only input message. We have put it our input message here. That's our input message. Enter the error message time between the, we'll copy this and we will put error message as a time between the 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and press OK. So we have got to put this one and B5 type 2 p.m. Copy and paste this one in the cell B5 as a 2 p.m. and press enter. So you see we have entered a correct format. If we enter here the 6 p.m. it will not accept. You see that time must be between the 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we will cancel and it's 2 p.m. we have made. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is add a data validation to B6 to look up list names from the message employee worksheet. So we will go to the cell B6. That is our cell B6. We will go to the data validation and here we will select the list from the which cell, employees worksheet. So we will go to the employee worksheet. We will put the source as employee worksheet and select the A2 to A6 input message. Input message will be choose the name from the list. So put this one as an input message. And there is no error alert. So we will press is equal to, and what he is saying, in the cell B6 select NED So we will go to our list and we will select NED. So it's working, our list is working and our validation is also working. That's our fifth step. We have total 17 steps in this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can comment on this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get the new video updates. Thank you.